Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm coming in today, I'm in Australia because I've got some fabric and I'm going to put it on here to see if anybody'd like to buy some for your journals or whatever. So small bits but in large pieces. So this is a nice piece of cotton one. It's not that big, it's okay. A lot of the pieces are, you know, it's a good size, like for doing journals or something. Cotton. This piece here is a piece of, what do you call it? It's like a fleecy sort of thing. Oh, what is it called? It is nice. That's doubled over again, so there's probably about 1/4 of a metre of that. They are maybe not straight. They could have pieces taken off them, but I've got this piece here. It's really pretty. This piece here, got faces on it, both, you know, that's double. This piece here, this is a fat quarter, I think. This one here's got writing on it, and it says Hope by Hula, and God, Son of God, and things like that written on there. This piece here is burgundy, and it's got this double like that. Most of this is cotton stuff. This one's a little bit old, this piece. It's actually fair size, and it's got, when I say fair size, probably not quite 1/2 a metre there, and it is from the USA, but I think it's been around a little while. Okay, so I've had this fabric a little while. This is a serviette thingy. Okay, right. This is a bit of sheet. This is an old bit of sheet. Isn't it nice? It's really pretty. It's really nice. Not in bad nick. I know one of the pieces had, I think this is it, got a patch on it. I thought, no, I'm going to leave the patch on there, look. It looks good. It adds to the texture, doesn't it? So somebody patched that bit. It is really pretty, so I don't know if anybody likes the pieces of sheeting. That's that bit. This is a nice white piece with a tiny, it's a creamy white because it's got a whiter colour little tiny leaf on it, and I think it might have a little tiny mark on it. Don't know for sure. Haven't got time. Been folding this stuff all day. Don't want to keep folding it much, but I just thought if anybody wants a chance to buy some of this off me, well, that's what we're going to do, okay? So this is nice. This is a double piece. That's a nice bit. It's probably a bit dark and it just light shine on everything. This is a nice bit of yellow. It's very fine. Don't think it is actually cotton. It's a polyester cotton, that one. This one here is a nice piece. It is a tiny bit retro, I think. It's got a picture of a little girl, a little baby, with another bit up there. It's like something for her, and it is got to be 1 metre square easy, I think, close to it. Okay, so I'm going to fold that back up. It's got a bear in one corner, and it's, you know, it's just a really quick look. This is a really nice piece of floral, good for journal covers. It just depends, I suppose, what sort of things you like to make. Here's another bit. It's a really bright, nice one. I did a hat out of that once. This is an older piece too. This is really old bit, and but it's a really nice piece. Very soft, very lovely piece of fabric, that is. Then I've got this bit. Now this is got a picture of, I'd say that's Mary on there. There's 1 square of that. There's 2 squares of that. There's 2 of them squares with her on, and this one here's got a panel with that panel. So that's something that's really nice. It's got and the roses are really pretty around the edges as well. They look really good, don't they? Them roses. This one here's a bit of furnishing, and it's really nice colours. That's double that piece there. There is a KG Now, as I'm putting all this one in here, I might tear a bit off this piece because there's a bit over a kg in here, a kilo, and it's going to cost, I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Anyway, so there's this here, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? Look at this. This would be nice in your journals. Now that's folded in half that way, and then again in this way. And I've had that for so long, I have got enough there for me to keep a bit. So this piece here is really nice. Looks a bit retro. It could be because, and it is really pretty piece. I do have some retro bits there too that I was going to think about putting in here. And then I've got these bits. That's a cotton piece. This is a cotton piece. These are folded in many, I mean there's a fair bit in each one of these. This one might have a couple of metres in it, I don't know. And that's there. So that's that one. I'm going to show you two and see if anybody's interested in them. This one here is pretty much the same. I don't know if I put this piece in when my husband was weighing them, so I don't know. But I'll re-weigh it anyway. I have stuck eyes on my computer. Anyway, so this is a piece with wedding things on it. Now that's half a metre of that. And it's got a bit cut out of there, so it's half a metre by about, yeah, it's probably half a metre by a metre or something. That bit. The Santa Claus. Santa Claus, he is a panel like that. There's one half of him, there's the other half of him. Okay, so that's pretty big. There's this spotty one. My arms are hurting. I've been folding and going through fabric all day. Well, not all day. Well, hours, a couple of hours, and that's made me tired. Here's another piece. Now this is a pink piece of sheet. It's only thin. Really nice to be lovely for making your flowers or whatever. There's a piece of the furnishing one. That's doubled. There's a piece of this one here. In this has got a nice bits on it. Not showing it to you fully because the arms are tired. I feel like I've been flying. That one there, that's a nice piece too, isn't it? That's a lovely piece. There's a bit of green. That's folded in four, that one. That one there's nearly folded in four. That's another piece of that really light. I think it's cotton. I'm really sure it's a cotton piece. So remember they used to have that white on them years ago? Yeah, maybe you don't. Okay, so then there's a bit of that. There's two pieces of this one in here. They're small. There's a piece of that one in here too. Hope you can see this all right. Okay. There is only a small piece of this in this one. It's got a little duck on it. I didn't want to cut the other in case somebody wants to make something out of that. You know, like a baby cover or something. There's a piece of that yellow. Don't get much yellow. This is nice. Bought this not long ago. Probably a few years. I find it quite interesting. And that's four times there. Oh no, it's a long piece. Double that part. So that's probably a quarter of a metre piece. There's a bit of the blue that we showed in the first one. I know what this is, I just can't think of it now. It's like, it's woolly. Oh dear. I know it wasn't a cheap bit of stuff, I know that, so I don't know what it was, I can't remember the name. A piece of that's doubled. Got this bit here with the faces on it, panels. Interesting in a journal, I think. It might be going, you know, it could be something that people, I'm thinking about it. I've got to get myself a piece, I don't know what to do, but you never know, so you got to have things, you can do stuff. And then there's this piece here, that's got, that's folded over there, it's got a crease in that bit. I'm doing this in the dark too, with only the light shining on me, by the way. When I think about it now, I am too. This is a piece and it's probably half a metre, and that's double that way, and that's double again that way, so there's a fair bit of that there. That's a really nice, pretty blue, nice blue piece. This one here is actually a serviette thing, but it's nice. I think it's got a bit of acrylic in it though, and I thought they'd make a nice journal cover anyway. Piece of sheet, a piece of the nice sheet. It might be a bit retro, I think. A bit of fluff on, all the fluff and strings off, hanging off it, and if there's any holes, it's all extra, all in the price. Okay, there's a piece of pink there, and when I looked at the piece I kept for me, I thought it had a little bit of fading on it. This one's okay though, and that's doubled. This one here is a bit of the white with the little white flower, and it's got a little mark there. That'll probably come off, I'd say. And then there is this piece here, and this is a bit off a skirt, and it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? I do like it. But I'm going to share a bit if anybody would like that. So, okay, so now this is there's a fair bit of fabric, and it's all the door. Jeremy, look, it's going to slam. Oh dear. Whoops, that was close. I'm glad the cat wasn't in there. So they're about $1 kilo each one. There's $1 kilo of. Is that right? Yes. Jeremy, was it about $1 kilo each? Okay, so there's about $1 kilo of fabric. There's a fair bit in there. Fair bit. So if you wanted, it costs, for the shipping, we've had a look at the flat rate prices, and it'll be $12.20. And then so if you want this shipped, it will cost $32. $32, and that'll be, you know, for each parcel. Alright, and that's it for the time being. So just, thanks Phil, $32, and that's with the shipping included in it. If anybody's interested, I know that shipping makes it a bit scary, doesn't it? But I think 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's about 13 or 14 pieces in each one. So, anyway, let me know what you think. Put it. I'm finding the emails I've got. I'll leave my email address and just email me if you're interested. So you can put it into my PayPal if you just want to buy these. If I haven't sold them by, you know, the end of the week, I think I'll donate them, okay? Because I've got more to do and don't want to be, I thought if I didn't, if people needed a bit of something, you know, so, okay? So if you want something to do any, what's no matter if you haven't got any fabric or anything, or you just want to make stuff or whatever, so just message me. And each parcel costs $12. No, yeah, costs what did I say? $32. $32 it would cost for them. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you're having a good day. And I'm working really hard to get my room done. I really am, as hard as I can go anyway. Tomorrow's going to be another big day, so I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.